Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make passion fruit kombucha. Start with a strong sweet tea, cool it, add a SCOBY and starter liquid, then ferment for 7 to 10 days at room temperature. Taste regularly and bottle for a second ferment with fresh passion fruit pulp and a teaspoon of sugar per bottle to carbonate. Chill bottles and refrigerate to stop fermentation before serving. Serve over ice. Enjoy naturally. Keep your workspace tidy and your tools clean to avoid off flavors and contamination, using glass or stainless vessels and breathable covers. Maintain fermentation temperature between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit and rotate jars if some jars are warmer than others. Use plain cane sugar and quality loose leaf tea for consistent results, and avoid flavored teas during primary fermentation to let the SCOBY thrive and produce a balanced kombucha. Quick recommendation: if you like convenience, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum to save time for brewing and cleaning up spills. This voice-controlled vacuum maps rooms and auto-adjusts suction for crumbs and sticky spills, making kombucha cleanup simple and fast so you can focus on flavor. If this helps, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For second fermentation, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of passion fruit pulp per liter, then seal bottles tightly and burp them once daily to release excess pressure safely. Leave bottles at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to build carbonation, tasting carefully to reach your preferred fizz. Move finished bottles to the fridge to slow fermentation, label with the date, and always open bottles over a sink in case of extra carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.